morning. It's 17th June, Monday. Let's see what is in store for all of us through my cards. Let's first see Aries. Aries, you are searching for something. You are searching for the truth of life. You are searching for a very spiritual answer for all the practicalities of your life. You will find it. You are going to find some answers today, and furthermore, your search itself is a chance for you. It's the magnet for you to get the right answers for you. You're going good place, right place. This is the purpose of life that you are here for. So go ahead and seek for your answers from the right place, and you will see that there is satisfaction in your life. Let us see what is in store for Taurans today. Taurans, you'll be surprised by your own performance. మీరే ఇది చేస్తున్నారా అని మీరే ఆశ్చర్యపోయే అంత మంచి సిచ్యువేషన్ ఇవాళ మీ లైఫ్లోకి వస్తుంది. యుల్ బి సర్ప్రైజ్డ్ అండ్ హ్యాపీ అండ్ యుల్ బి గెటింగ్ అప్రిసియేషన్స్ దట్ యూ డిడ్ నాట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. సో బీ రెడీ ఫర్ ది నాట్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. Today, specially give yourself some celebration for what you have achieved. మీరు ఏ చిన్న అచీవ్మెంట్ అయినా ఇవాళ సెలబ్రేట్ చేయండి. Give yourself some flowers. Give yourself something that you love to eat or drink, and celebrate it within yourself because you deserve it. Now let us see what is in store for Gemini today. Gemini వాళ్ళు రెండు విధాలుగా ఉంటుంది. If you go and approach people that for right advice or saying sorry, if you are ready to apologize, things will work very well for you. But if you are holding on to your ego, life will be a little difficult for you. I would suggest go and say sorry. At least forgive yourself and forgive the people for the situations. Because if you hold on to your anger and your frustration, you will go nowhere. There is another very important thing. You have not considered an option that was in front of you. The missing of an option that was always in front of you is something that is a huge option. Look at it properly. Look around you what is happening. Are you not confronting people properly? Look at it. Now let us see what is in store for Cancerians today. Cancerians, lovely magic is coming back into your life. You are a magician in sorts. You yourself create magic around you, but it is coming back to you in bounds and leaps. Now, are you ready is the point. If you are ready, receive it with grace. Anta manche jarugutondi, alanti time ostondi. మీ ప్రకారంగానే జరుగుతుంది. Do not be scared or frightened to approach people with your ideas. Today, your ideas are going to be received very well. So, make it a point all your ideas are actually communicated today. Let us see what is in store for Leo today. రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ తీసుకోవటం లేదా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. స్పెషలీ చాలా దగ్గర జస్టిస్ చేయటం లేదా చూసుకోండి. ఎక్కడో మీరు జస్టిస్ చేయకపోవడం వల్ల ఇంకొకళ్ళు హర్ట్ అయితే అది మీకు మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి తిరిగి కొడుతుంది. జాగ్రత్త. మీరు రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ జాగ్రత్తగా తీసుకుని ఇంకొకళ్ళకి మంచి జరిగేలా చేసే రోజు ఈరోజు. స్పెషలీ మేక్ దోస్ చాయిసెస్ విచ్ విల్ మేక్ అదర్స్ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ టుడే, అండ్ యూ విల్ సీ ఇట్ కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు యూ. Now let us see what is in store for Virgo. Virgo వాళ్ళు అన్నీ అక్కడే ఉన్నా చూడకపోవడం జరుగుతోంది. ఆర్ యూ మిస్సింగ్ అవుట్ ఆన్ సంథింగ్ దట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ అరౌండ్ ది కార్నర్? ఆర్ యూ నాట్ హ్యావింగ్ ది అలర్ట్నెస్ ఆఫ్ ది మైండ్ టు అబ్జర్వ్ ఇట్? Are you too busy with something which is insignificant and missing out on the important parts of your life? Beware, if you are not looking, it will just go off. Let us see what is in store for Librans today. Librans, put your foot down if you need to, because if you put your foot down today and make a point very clear to someone, that someone is going to benefit themselves, and also for you the benefit will come. Now, there is a wish in your mind which you have not communicated. Today, communicate that wish, because your wish is somebody's very important option. Lot of times what we wish for could be options for others, could be a starting or beginning for others. Look at all those areas where you have been wishing and not communicating. Today is the day to go ahead and do that. Let us see what is in store for Scorpions today. స్కార్పియో వాళ్ళు కొంచెం ఇంకొకళ్ళతో ఎదురుకుండా కమ్యూనికేట్ చేయలేకపోతున్నారు. దేనివల్ల? బికాస్ దే జడ్జ్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్ యాజ్ లెస్ దాన్. మీ లెస్ దాన్ ఫీలింగ్ మిమ్మల్ని ఎక్కడైనా కిందకి లాగేస్తోందా? Is your own self-esteem the reason for you not going forward? Look at it very carefully. Spend very wisely today. If you are with friends, do not be the person who is saying, I'll pay for everybody. You don't have to. Let everybody share, because you also have only one share to give there. You cannot be overspending just to make someone happy. Let us see what is in store for Sagittarians now. If you feel envious towards other people's work or other people's achievement, you're losing out on time and your own energy as a leakage. Gather that energy and go talk to them rather than feeling all agitation inside. Talk to the person who has been mentoring you for a long time. Today is a chance when you will actually get a very good advice from them. They are ready to give you advice. Are you taking that step towards them? Let us see what is in store for Capricornians now. Capricornians, you're going to meet a very important person today. The person will come into your life and go off. You won't know whether that person's looks or the person's thinking is important to you. But every person, every new person you're going to meet today is going to be very important for you today. Are you going to have a meeting somewhere in the office, or are you going to a party somewhere where you may be meeting new people? Today, keep your eyes open, keep your mind open and your heart open to give your best, because you're going to be judged as someone who is very important to someone. Somebody may say, this person needs to be working with me. You may get some wonderful new job opportunities today. Let us see what is in store for Aquarians today. Wishes are coming true, but somewhere there is a slack in your mind. మీరు చేసిన పని మొల్లాన్నే మీకు మీ విష్ పూర్తవుతోంది అనే అవగాహన ఉంచుకోండి. యూ హ్యావ్ క్రియేటెడ్ వాట్ యూ వాంటెడ్. నౌ దిస్ విష్ ఈజ్ రియల్లీ ట్రూ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఓన్ హార్డ్ వర్క్. హ్యావ్ యూ అప్రిషియేటెడ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్? సెల్ఫ్ అప్రిసియేషన్ తక్కువ అయిపోయిందేమో చూసుకోండి. ప్లీజ్ గివ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ దట్ మచ్ of appreciation and wonderfulness that you have created what you want in life. Let us see what is in store for Pisces today. Pisces వాళ్ళ waiting almost over. They don't have to wait anymore for wonderful things to happen in their life. They will meet people who are ready to help them. Are you ready to take the help gracefully? Is the point. ఫైనాన్షియల్లీ లోన్స్ ఎక్కువ పెట్టకండి. ఈరోజు లోన్స్ ఏమైనా క్లియర్ చేయాలంటే చేయండి, కానీ డోంట్ టేక్ ఎక్స్ట్రా లోన్స్. కట్ అవుట్ ఆన్ యువర్ బడ్జెట్స్ రాదర్ దాన్ థింకింగ్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ సమ్ లోన్ అండ్ కంపన్సేట్ విత్ మై విషెస్. యువర్ విషెస్ ఆర్ హియర్ టు బి దేర్. దే విల్ బి ఆల్వేస్ దేర్. Do not just for a wish loan money, because today if you loan too much money, you will not be in a position to give it back to them. Have a wonderful directional day today. I'll be back with more direction tomorrow.